By explaining every point in detail, I will solve this problem that was asked in JEE main exam, so that every student can understand solution of this problem very easily. We will use this formula in the solution of this problem. Therefore, first of all, we will understand what is the meaning of this formula. Formula is ax square plus bx plus c will be positive for all x belongs to R. That means for all real value of x. For all real value of x. If two conditions are fulfilled, a is positive, that means coefficient of x square is positive, and b square minus 4ac is negative. That means discriminant of this quadratic expression is negative. If these two conditions are fulfilled, then for any real value of x, value of this quadratic expression will always be positive. As for example, we take a quadratic expression x square plus x plus 1. Here, comparing this quadratic expression with this quadratic expression, we see that a is equal to 1 and 1 is positive. That means first condition is already fulfilled. b square minus 4ac. b means 1. Comparing this quadratic expression with this quadratic expression, we see that 1 is in place of b. 1 square minus 4 times a. a means 1, 1. c 1. That is equal to 1 minus 4. That is equal to minus 3. This is negative. Since both the condition 1 and condition 2 are fulfilled, therefore if we put any real number in place of x, value of this expression will always be positive. Value of this expression will always be positive. We put value of x here and calculate value of x square plus x plus 1 here. When we put x is equal to 1, this becomes 1 square plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3, which is positive. If we put x is equal to 2 in place of x, then value of x square plus x plus 1 will be 2 square plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, which is positive. If we put any negative number, suppose we put minus 5 in place of x, x is equal to minus 5, then value of x square plus x plus 1 will be minus 5 square, minus 5 square, minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 square will be plus 25, minus 5 square will be plus 25, minus 5 plus 1, that is equal to 21, which is positive. In this way, if we put any real number from minus infinity to plus infinity, any real number in place of x, value of this quadratic expression will always be some positive number. Will always be some positive number. Value of this quadratic expression can never be equal to 0 and it can never be equal to any negative number. This is the formula, meaning of formula. When a die is thrown 2 times, it may be possible that first time appear 1, second time appear 1, or first time appear 1, second time appear 2. First time appear the number 1, second time appear the number 3. In this way, first time appear number 2, second time appear number 1. First time appear number 2, second time appear number 2. In this way, up to 5, 6. These are 36 possible outcome. When a die is thrown 2 times, there will appear any one outcome out of possible these 36 outcomes. Set of all the possible outcome is called sample space and it is denoted by S. And number of element in this set, that means number of all possible outcome, number of S is equal to 6 times 6. 6 rows, 6 column, 6 times 6, 36. Now we are required to find the probability of this event, where alpha is number appearing on the die first time and beta is the number appearing over the die second time. Then we are set to find the probability of the event such that alpha and beta be such that value of this quadratic expression be always positive for all real value of x. All real value of x. We know that value of this quadratic expression will always be positive if a be positive and its discriminant be negative. Comparing this quadratic expression with ax square plus bx plus c, we see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to alpha, c is equal to beta. A is equal to 1, first condition, A is equal to 1 and 1 is positive, therefore first condition is already fulfilled. Second condition, B square minus 4AC should be negative. B square means alpha square. Minus 4 times 1 times beta, 4 times 1 times beta should be negative. That means alpha square minus 4 beta, alpha square minus 4 beta should be negative. That means alpha square should be less than 4 beta. When alpha square is less than 4 beta, then second condition B square minus 4AC will be negative will be satisfied. B square minus 4AC should be negative, will be satisfied. Therefore, when these two conditions are satisfied, value of this expression will always be positive for any real value of x. Therefore, this event will occur whenever alpha square is less than 4 beta, because first condition is already fulfilled. Therefore, when alpha square become less than 4 beta, this second condition will be fulfilled and this event will occur. This event will occur. Now, suppose this is value of alpha. We put alpha is equal to 1. When we take value of alpha as 1, what value can be of beta so that this condition is satisfied? When we put alpha is equal to 1, then left side of this inequality less than become 1 square 4 times. In place of beta, what number can we place here so that this condition is fulfilled? We can write here 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That means when alpha is equal to 1, then beta can be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. That means in the event outcome favorable to this event will be 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. When alpha is equal to 2, when we take the value of alpha as 2, then 2 square should be less than 4 times beta. What number in place of beta can we put here so that this condition is satisfied? This condition is satisfied. RHS becomes greater than 2 square. We can write 2, not 1. When we write 1, this becomes 4 times 1, 4, and LHS is also 4. Then two sides will be equal, but left side should be less than right side. Therefore, we will write 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 in place of beta. Beta can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, outcome favorable to this event when value of alpha is 2 will be 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. When we take the value of alpha as 3, then beta can be 3 square means 9. This should be less than 4 beta. This is 9. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 is not greater than 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 is greater than 9. Therefore, beta will be 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. When we take the value of alpha as 4, then 4 square should be less than 4 beta. 4 square means 16. Therefore, beta must be greater than 4. That means value of beta should be 5 or 6. 5 or 6. Therefore 4 5, 4 6, outcome will be in the event. When we take alpha is equal to 5 square less than 4 beta, if we put any number from 1 to 6 in place of beta, then 4 beta can never be greater than 5 square. When we put 6, greatest number 6 times 4 is 24, which is less than 25. Therefore, alpha is equal to 5. For alpha is equal to 5, we do not get any value of beta. Therefore, there will be only these many outcome in the event E. Now number of S is 36 and the number of E is equal to 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2, that is equal to 17. Probability of E is equal to number of E by number of sample space, that is equal to 17 by 36.